Do you understand English, but when you try to speak, your mind suddenly goes blank?
Or you start a sentence and then just stop because you don't know how to finish it.
Yeah, that moment when your brain freezes, that's not because you don't know English.
That's a fluency problem.
And here's something important. Most people never fix this because they don't train correctly.
But if you stay with us and actually follow the practice today, you're going to feel a real difference.
Today isn't just about learning English.
It's about training your brain to speak.
So don't just listen.
Speak with us. Hello, welcome back to English Coffee Talk Podcast Hot Beverage. I'm feeling really good today, actually kind of motivated.
Oh yeah, what happened?
This morning I tried something simple. I just spoke English out loud for 10 minutes.
Nice, what did you talk about?
Honestly, nothing special, just real life stuff. I'm making coffee, I need to start work. Today's going to be a good day.
That's actually a powerful habit.
Yeah, but at first I was slow. I stopped a lot and I kept thinking too much.
That's completely normal.
But after a few minutes, it started to feel easier.
That's fluency building in real time. Let me tell you something real. I once met a student. She understood almost everything in English, but when she spoke, she paused after almost every word.
Yeah, that happens a lot.
She told me, I'm translating everything in my head.
That's the biggest problem right there.
So I told her one simple thing, stop translating, just speak simple.
And did it work?
After 2 weeks, she wasn't perfect, but she sounded natural.
That's real progress.
All right, let's break this down.
Step 1, speak out loud, not in your head.
Step 2, keep it simple.
Step 3, repeat what works.
Step 4, don't stop when it feels hard. Let's practice together. Say it with me, I'm learning English.
Again, a little faster, I'm learning English.
Now with confidence, I'm learning English.
Quick pause, say one sentence out loud right now.
It doesn't need to be perfect, just say something. If you're still here, that means you're serious about improving.
And that already puts you ahead of most people.
Now don't stop here.
Your challenge today, speak English out loud for 10 minutes.
No pressure, just practice.
And we'll see you in the next video.